Hello, my name is Bunyakavin Munsawat. Please call me Min. I am 17 years old. I live in Khon Kaen and I study at Annual Education and Community Education College. I firmly believe that determination leads to success. I am very interested in joining the outdoor summer camp because I believe it will be a valuable opportunity to improve my English skill, explore new culture, learn how to collaborate with others. I have a strong passion for applying technology in education, especially using AI and technology platforms to create equal learning opportunities for young people. I believe this camp will not only strengthen my English and teamwork skills, but also inspire me to connect knowledge with technology for future innovation. Even though I come from a poor family, I want to have the opportunity to learn new things and contribute to society and the future. So I will do everything with 100% of my heart. Thank you so much.